Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel in couple of minutes. First of all, what you have to do is just open up the YouTube application on your mobile. So the process is same on iOS and Android. If you don't have YouTube installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now click on this little profile icon in the top right corner. So you have to sign in if you are not, and then just tap on this add account. Now it will open a Google window inside the app because you need your Google account for this. YouTube is a company that is owned by Google, and the app needs your Google account to create a YouTube channel. So if you have already a Google account, sign into your account. If you don't, you need to create a new one. So just tap on this create account for myself. Now you have to enter your name here, then tap on next, and you have to give this basic information. Now select your mail here, tap on this next, and now you have to create your password here. Click on next again, and now you can see this. If you want to add your phone number, you can do this. I'm going for skip and then tap on this next, and these are the privacy and terms. You have to read it, and then after reading, just tap on this I agree. You have to wait a little bit, it will load up. And now our Google account has been created. Let's create the channel. Just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on your channel. Now you can add a profile photo for your channel, or you can change your channel name also, and your YouTube channel is created. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.